Are you selling your product or training during a webinar? Then CTA button is created right for you. It's time to encourage your event attendees to click on one of these two buttons and direct them to the page of your choice. How to do it? Create an event and enter the ClickMeeting room. Find the call to action icon in the left menu. Decide whether you prefer to display the button on a banner at the top of the screen or in the chat. Now give the banner a name. This will make it easier to reuse this button in the future. The title is the main text on the banner that will encourage clicking. On the right side, you can see how your banner looks like. In the button field, place the text that participants will click on. In the URL section, provide the link to your page or offer. The necessary minimum is done. Click Publish, and you're ready to go. Clicks on the button will be counted on the banner. Note that only you can see the counter. But that's not all. Would you prefer your offer to be limited? Enable this option and enter the maximum number of clicks. Only after enabling it will your attendees see the counter. How else can you encourage participants to click on the CTA? By enabling additional, automatically generated clicks. Just set their number and you're done. Want to add images to the CTA banner? No problem. If you want, this graphic can also be a link. Do you prefer CTA colors that match your brand? Or the opposite, aggressive and impossible to miss? You can set them here. With this option, you can make your CTA display for only a few minutes. Click here to show attendees a countdown and increase time pressure. If you plan to use the created CTA multiple times, instead of clicking Publish, choose the Save option. Now simply click the CTA icon again to display one of your previously saved templates. Both types of banners can be displayed simultaneously. Both can be closed independently by clicking the X. If you want to write something in the chat without closing the CTA, click on this arrow. Now you have all the tools to encourage your attendees to take action.